fashion show with my friends.
And I'll be the judge.
Yes, so don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. So let's get starting.
Okay, now let's go in. Contestant number 1. Name is No.
Hello.
Next contestant is Dina. Hi. Dressed as girlies. Bye. So thank you everyone for that, and comment who wins. So bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Wait, even my